Have you ever wondered who's pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation in the 21st century? There's one name that likely rings a bell, a figure that's as enigmatic as he is ambitious: Elon Musk. Elon Reeve Musk, born in the summer of 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa, was a curious child. His thirst for knowledge was insatiable. Devouring books was his favorite pastime, and by the age of 10, he had already developed a keen interest in computing. His journey into entrepreneurship began with Zip2, a software company he co-founded with his brother Kimball in 1996. Zip2 was a city guide software for newspapers and was a pioneer in its field. The success of Zip2 was just a glimpse of what was to come. In the year 2000, Compaq acquired Zip2 for a staggering $300 million, a deal that marked the beginning of Musk's extraordinary journey in the tech industry. Not one to rest on his laurels, Musk's next venture was X.com, an online payment company which later became the globally recognized platform we know today as PayPal. His relentless ambition and risk-taking nature were evident when he sold PayPal to eBay in 2002 for $1.5 billion. But rather than bask in his success, Musk had his eyes set on loftier goals. He envisioned a future where humanity is not just confined to Earth but becomes a multiplanetary species. This led to the birth of SpaceX, his ambitious aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company. But his vision didn't stop at space travel. He saw an opportunity for a sustainable future on Earth and founded Tesla, a company that would revolutionize the way we think about cars and energy consumption. From selling his startup to launching rockets, Musk has always been a person of extraordinary vision. His journey, filled with ups and downs, successes and failures, is a testament to his relentless pursuit of innovation and his unwavering belief in a future where technology and sustainability coexist. What if you could control your computer or smartphone with just your thoughts? This question, once a mere figment of the imagination, is now on the cusp of becoming reality, thanks to Neuralink, one of the most ambitious ventures of Elon Musk. Neuralink, a neurotechnology company, was founded in the year 2016 with the audacious aim of merging the human brain with artificial intelligence. The company is striving to build devices that are capable of being implanted in the human brain in order to create a symbiosis between man and machine. The science behind Neuralink is truly fascinating. The company's technology revolves around the concept of a brain-machine interface, or BMI. This technology allows for a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device. Neuralink's device, a tiny chip, is designed to be surgically implanted into the brain. It consists of over 1,000 ultra-thin electrodes that can monitor the brain's activity and even stimulate it if needed. But why would anyone want a chip in their brain? Well, Elon Musk envisions Neuralink as a solution to a slew of health issues. Imagine a world where conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even paralysis could be effectively managed or even eradicated. Musk believes that by decoding the signals our brains send to our bodies, we can learn to replicate them, thereby potentially restoring lost functions. However, Musk's vision extends beyond just therapeutic applications. Neuralink also has a long-term goal of human enhancement. This may sound like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but Musk believes that in order to keep pace with artificial intelligence, humans need to upgrade their capabilities. He sees Neuralink as a tool that can enhance cognitive abilities, improve memory, and even allow for direct interfacing with devices. Imagine being able to download skills like in The Matrix, or communicate telepathically. Such possibilities could redefine what it means to be human. Of course, these are grand visions, and the road to achieving them is fraught with scientific, ethical, and regulatory challenges. Yet the progress made by Neuralink so far is encouraging. In August 2020, the company showcased a pig with a Neuralink implant demonstrating the device's ability to record neural activity. Neuralink is not just science fiction. It's an emerging reality that could redefine our understanding of human capabilities. In the words of Musk himself, if you can't beat him, join him. And with Neuralink, he's inviting us all to take a leap into a future where we don't just use technology, we become one with it. Can you imagine a world where every car on the road is electric? Picture this, a planet where gasoline pumps are replaced by charging stations, where the air is cleaner, and the hum of electric engines replaces the roar of petrol power. This is the vision that Tesla, led by the visionary Elon Musk, is turning into a reality. Tesla, a name that resonates with innovation and change, is more than just an automobile company. It's a mission. A mission to accelerate the advent of sustainable transport by bringing compelling mass-market electric cars to the market. Tesla's impact on the automobile industry is profound and undeniable. It's a game-changer, setting a new standard and forcing the industry to adapt or risk being left behind. But what makes Tesla stand out isn't just its electric vehicles. It's the groundbreaking technology that powers them. Tesla's vehicles are a remarkable blend of efficiency, performance, and safety. They've managed to make electric cars not just a viable option, but a desirable one. Their cars are sleek, fast, and packed with features that make driving less of a chore and more of an experience. And it doesn't stop at cars. Tesla's innovative streak extends to a range of solar energy products. They've taken the same approach that revolutionized the auto industry and applied it to renewable energy. Tesla's solar panels and power walls are making sustainable energy an accessible and attractive option for homeowners around the globe. Tesla's supercharger network, a rapidly expanding global infrastructure of charging stations, has made long-distance travel in an electric vehicle not just possible but convenient. It's another example of how Tesla is breaking down the barriers to electric vehicle adoption. Tesla's impact is far-reaching. They've sparked a shift in public perception about electric vehicles. They've shown the world that electric cars can be fun, fast, and practical. They've challenged the status quo and proven that a sustainable future doesn't have to come at the cost of comfort or convenience. Tesla's influence on the auto industry is clear. Major manufacturers are scrambling to release their own electric vehicles to catch up with the standard Tesla has set. The electric revolution is here, and it's being led by Tesla. But Tesla's vision extends beyond just selling electric cars. They're aiming for a sustainable energy ecosystem where energy generation and storage is as clean and efficient as transportation. Tesla is not just a car company, it's an energy company, it's a technology company, it's a catalyst for change on a global scale. So can you imagine a world where every car on the road is electric thanks to Tesla? We don't have to imagine, we're on the way there. Tesla is not just a car company, it's a catalyst for the electric revolution. How does one man manage to revolutionize two completely different industries? It's a question that has puzzled many, and the answer lies in the unique leadership and vision of Elon Musk, the man behind both Neuralink and Tesla. Neuralink and Tesla, two companies that couldn't be more different in their objectives, yet are united by the vision of one man, Elon Musk. Neuralink, which aims to build a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence, and Tesla, a company that's revolutionizing the automobile industry with its electric cars and renewable energy solutions. But how has Musk managed to transform these two industries? Firstly, Musk's vision is the driving force behind these transformations. He's not just a businessman, but a futurist, a pioneer who constantly pushes the boundaries of what's possible. His vision for a future where humans can communicate directly with machines through Neuralink, or where sustainable energy is the norm through Tesla, is not just a distant dream but an achievable reality. This vision is what attracts the brightest minds to his companies and encourages them to strive for the extraordinary. Secondly, Musk's hands-on approach to leadership plays a significant role in the success of Neuralink and Tesla. Unlike other CEOs, Musk is deeply involved in the operations of his companies. He's known to work alongside his engineers, participating in the design and production processes, and even sleeping at the factory when necessary. This hands-on approach not only ensures that Musk's vision is accurately translated into the products, but also inspires his team to work harder and smarter. Thirdly, Musk's relentless work ethic is another key factor. The tech mogul is known for his grueling work schedule, often clocking in more than 80 hours a week. While this may seem extreme to some, it's a testament to Musk's dedication and commitment to his companies. His work ethic is infectious, creating a culture of hard work and perseverance within Neuralink and Tesla. Finally, Musk's ability to attract top talent to his companies cannot be understated. He has a knack for identifying and nurturing talent, and he creates an environment where creative minds can flourish. This talent pool is crucial for the success of Neuralink and Tesla, as it's these individuals who bring Musk's vision to life, developing the groundbreaking technology that sets these companies apart. The transformation of Neuralink and Tesla under Musk's leadership is not just about creating successful businesses, it's about changing the way we perceive and interact with the world. Whether it's the potential to cure neurological disorders with Neuralink or the shift towards sustainable energy with Tesla, Musk's vision is about making a positive impact on humanity. The leadership style of Musk may not fit the traditional mold, and it's certainly not without its critics. His approach can be demanding, and his expectations high. But there's no denying the results. Under his leadership, Neuralink and Tesla have not just survived, but thrived, pushing the boundaries of innovation and setting new standards in their respective industries. Musk's leadership is not conventional, but neither are Neuralink and Tesla. In the end, it's this unconventional approach that has allowed Musk to revolutionize these industries, turning the impossible into the possible and the dream into a reality. What happens when these two revolutionary companies look towards the future? Imagine a world where your car not only drives you to your destination, but also predicts your needs, responds to your emotions, and essentially becomes an extension of yourself. This is the future that Tesla is striving for. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla is not just about electric vehicles, it's about creating an intelligent, fully autonomous system that integrates seamlessly into your life. The company is already making significant strides towards full self-driving capabilities. The future of Tesla lies in perfecting this technology, enhancing safety, and delivering a driving experience like no other. But that's not all. Tesla is also working on creating a sustainable energy ecosystem. Picture solar roofs that power not just your home but your electric vehicle as well, creating a loop of clean, renewable energy. Now let's shift gears and delve into the future of Neuralink. This is where things get really interesting. Neuralink is working on some of the most cutting-edge technology in the world today, with the goal of merging human intelligence with artificial intelligence. Imagine having superhuman cognition, the ability to learn anything at a rapid pace or communicate telepathically. Musk's vision for Neuralink goes beyond just enhancing human capabilities. He envisions a future where we can treat a wide range of neurological disorders, from Parkinson's to epilepsy. Neuralink's technology could potentially restore sensory and motor function, giving a new lease of life to millions of people around the world. But what does the convergence of these two extraordinary visions look like? Picture this. You're in your self-driving Tesla, heading to a meeting. You forgot to set your alarm and woke up late. But there's no need to panic. Your Tesla, in sync with your Neuralink, knows your schedule, predicts traffic, and calculates the fastest route. It also knows that you didn't have time for breakfast, so it orders your favorite smoothie from the drive-thru en route. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the future that Elon Musk is building. It's a future where technology is not just a tool, but an integral part of who we are. It's a future that is sustainable, efficient, and above all, human-centric. Now, these visions may sound ambitious, even audacious. But if there's one thing we know about Elon Musk, it's that he doesn't shy away from challenges. He's not just a dreamer, he's a doer. He has a track record of turning the impossible into reality. And with his leadership, these two companies are not just shaping their respective industries, they're shaping the future of humanity. With Musk at the helm, the future of Neuralink and Tesla looks incredibly exciting. What happens when groundbreaking neural technology meets the electric revolution? Imagine a world where your thoughts can control vehicles, where the boundaries between man and machine blur, and where technology is not just a tool, but an integral part of us. This is not a sci-fi movie plot, but the potential reality when Neuralink and Tesla, two of Elon Musk's revolutionary endeavors, come together. Neuralink, Musk's ambitious brain-machine interface venture, is working tirelessly to develop ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect humans and computers. This technology has immense potential to help people with neurological disorders, but its implications go far beyond medical applications. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Tesla, the electric vehicle and clean energy company that has already revolutionized the auto industry. Tesla's commitment to sustainability and innovation has made it a global leader in electric vehicles. But what if we could take this a step further? Imagine, if you will, a synergy between these two companies. The integration of Neuralink's advanced brain-machine interfaces and Tesla's electric vehicles could redefine mobility as we know it. This combination could potentially allow drivers to control their Teslas using nothing but their thoughts. A simple thought could start the engine, navigate the vehicle, or even play your favorite song. The possibilities are fascinating, and with Musk at the helm, not as far-fetched as they might seem. The potential benefits of this synergy could be immense. For drivers with physical disabilities, the ability to control a vehicle with their minds could be life-changing. It could also pave the way for more efficient and safer driving. Imagine if your car could respond to your thoughts faster than your hands could turn the wheel. This could drastically reduce reaction times and potentially prevent accidents. This synergy could also have significant implications for Tesla's self-driving technology. With Neuralink's brain-machine interface, users could potentially communicate with their self-driving cars more intuitively. Rather than relying solely on a touchscreen or voice commands, drivers could think their instructions to the car, making the interaction more seamless and natural. Of course, this kind of synergy would not be without its challenges. Ethical and privacy concerns would need to be addressed. Safeguards would need to be put in place to prevent misuse of the technology. But if anyone can navigate these complexities, it's Elon Musk. Elon Musk has a track record of turning the seemingly impossible into reality. He has already made significant strides with both Neuralink and Tesla. With Neuralink, he has shown us a glimpse of a future where we can interact with technology on a whole new level. With Tesla, he has proven that electric vehicles can not only match but surpass their gasoline counterparts. If these two innovations can be combined, the result could be truly groundbreaking. This is not just about controlling cars with our minds, it's about redefining our relationship with technology. It's about blurring the lines between human and machine and creating a new kind of synergy that could change our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. When Neuralink and Tesla come together, the possibilities seem endless. This is not just a bold prediction, but a glimpse into a future where technology and humanity can coexist in harmony. A future where our thoughts can lead to action without any physical intervention. A future where the divide between us and the machines we create becomes less clear. A future that is not just possible but within our reach thanks to visionaries like Elon Musk. When Neuralink and Tesla come together, the possibilities seem endless. Are we on the brink of a new era shaped by Neuralink and Tesla? Imagine a world where sustainable transportation is no longer a futuristic dream, but a reality. Picture a society where humans have the ability to enhance their cognitive functions, unlocking untapped potential. Neuralink and Tesla aren't just about cutting-edge technology, they're about reshaping the world as we know it. The impact of these companies extends far beyond their respective industries. They're challenging norms, redefining possibilities, and inspiring a generation to think bigger, to dream bolder. They're not just revolutionizing transportation and neuroscience, they're revolutionizing the way we perceive our own capabilities and our relationship with the world around us. Their technological advancements are important, yes. But what's truly revolutionary is the vision. A vision of a sustainable, inclusive future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. In the hands of Elon Musk, Neuralink and Tesla are not just companies, they are tools to build a better, more sustainable and exciting future.
Enjoyed your journey into the AI Future Hub? Support us by click subscribe.